Can you believe I didn't bring the right car keys? Mr. Destructo. rain break. I'll be back. Rain, rain, go away. I'm trying to work today. I'm sitting here in an office chair that I took out of my computer room. Usually go to the dump, but I haven't hauled it anywhere, but it sure still sits good. I don't think it's going to rain long. We get back out there and go to tearing something down in a minute. Trying to do a little work while it's fairly cool. I cut grass today in the heat of the day because I knew this rain was probably going to come and the backyard was out of control. We got the entire backyard cut, and around here, the area in front of the house, immediately in front of the house around the flower garden and everything, I redid that again today. Up and down the front yard on the I didn't do it today, it don't need it yet. I probably won't get a whole lot done today, I'm kind of tired, but I'm getting a little bit done each day, and I'm going to try to work in the cool of the day. Why said I should get up bright and early every morning. I imagine that a lot of y'all, I would imagine a lot of y'all say the same thing. But I stay up late in the evening doing my videos and stuff, and my schedule is just a little different than anybody else's. I get up bright and early with the crows. I have to go to bed with the chickens, and that'll interfere with my video producing. When I'm creating a video, sometimes I'll spend 3 or 4 hours editing and getting it ready. I'm using the Ultimate Video Studio now, 2020 version, and it's a lot more complicated to work than the one I've been working before. So that slowed me down a little bit, but I'm slowly getting a grip on it. I had the old version of Video Studio memorized, but everything's different now. Did I say it was going to quit raining? My goodness, it's picking up. I've been sitting here talking, and the camera wasn't even on. Anyway, for the next month or so, I'm going to be tearing out this deck and rebuilding it entirely different than it was before. It's going to be bigger in some respects. The entranceway into the basement is going to be lower. I don't go in and out of that basement that often anyway. I might do a little modifying on the entranceway. I'm going to replace every window in this house if I'm able. Starting with that one up there, but first we're going to finish the deck. And the bottom board lap siding that goes around the house is down behind that deck. I would not be the least bit surprised to find out it's rotted out back there. And if that's the case, I'm going to have to replace that bottom section of lap siding before I can build the deck. Let's get back to tearing down the steps. What? Well, that stair stringer over there is put together with lag bolts. I had forgotten that. Got to use my impact wrench to take that down. I think the rain is going to shut me down.